Good AM. Today is January 20, 2024 Saturday, and here are the 10:30 AM STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 20, 2024 Saturday. Here are the SL Sur 3 10:30 AM result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for January 20, 2024 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of January 20, 2024 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.